Hey, it's your boy JB and we are back once again this week. We've got the mincer out. We're making meatballs. Cut 1 pound of beef into cubes and then mince through a mincer, or else get 1 pound of minced meat. Deskin 4 sausages. Add the mince and sausages to a bowl and mix thoroughly. Roll the mix into meatballs to the size of a ping pong ball. Put 1 tin of tomatoes into a liquidiser. Add 2 cloves of garlic. Add 1 teaspoon of balsamic vinegar. Add a handful of basil. Blitz to a tomato sauce consistency. Chop 2 celery sticks finely. Chop 2 carrots finely. Chop 1 onion finely. Fry the vegetables on a medium heat until translucent. Add 1 tablespoon of tomato puree. Add the tomato sauce from earlier. Fry the meatballs in a saucepan on a medium heat. Add the meatballs to the sauce and cook the sauce on a low heat for 1 hour. As always, follow the hashtag @FatLadFood, and if you like what you see here, subscribe to the channel and hit that like button if you enjoyed the video.